Hello everyone, I'm Pat, your friendly 3D anatomical guide. Welcome to 3D Inside Body, where we'll explore the wonders of human anatomy together. Get ready to discover the intricate details of the human body in a whole new dimension.
Watch as the chest cavity opens to reveal the left and right lungs gently inflating watts. After a short pause, the lungs slide outward, unveiling the heart beating slowly in the center with a slightly translucent pericardium.
Watch the human heart in action, a vital organ working. Blue deoxygenated blood from body to right atrium to right ventricle, to lungs via pulmonary trunk. Red oxygenated blood to left atrium. Pumped through ascending aorta to body. Superior and inferior vena cava bring deoxygenated blood back, completing cycle. This intricate cycle sustains life.
Observe the large glossy liver in the abdominal cavity. Here's the left lobe, and this is the prominent right lobe. Lifting the liver reveals the green gallbladder and the blue inferior vena cava behind it. Notice the animated vessels glowing through.
Here we see the thyroid gland, a key part of your endocrine system, and the trachea, or windpipe, which is essential for breathing. The thyroid produces hormones regulating metabolism, while the trachea ensures a clear pathway for air to reach your lungs.
We are zooming into the left upper abdomen, revealing the deep purple spleen. Right adjacent to the spleen is the soft yellow pancreas gland. Observe how both organs are anatomically positioned relative to the stomach.
Let's explore the kidneys and urinary system. Observe the ureters extending downwards, guiding the flow to the bladder. The aorta and inferior vena cava run vertically, supplying and draining blood from these vital organs. This shows the key structures and basic flow.
Here's a wide view of the digestive tract, with the coiled small intestine in the center surrounded by the large intestine. Notice the jejunum section of the small intestine highlighted here. Watch as a glowing particle moves through the small intestine into the cecum, along the colon, and reaches the rectum.
Discover the full transparent PAT model, where all major organs softly glow in their precise anatomical positions. Watch as the camera pulls back to showcase the complete harmony of the human anatomy in this professional medical visualization. Thanks for learning with Pat. Subscribe to 3D Inside Body.